What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. I want to talk about TSMP, Humbl Pay. We're starting to gear up, man. We're starting to gear up, and we're coming into January. I want to get into the technicals and the catalyst that could propel this thing sky high in February. I said January. I meant February. My bad. But before I do that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market, and I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So that being said, man, let's just get right into it, man. So Humbl keeps on making big moves. They announced the launch of their Humbl financial division in February is coming up, where they're going to launch this. They're going to launch their product, their app, in 40 different countries, which is amazing. We went over that catalyst in the video of the Humbl conference call. If you haven't watched it, please go and do so. And then they had this really great catalyst of Nick Carter from the Backstreet Boys, shouting them out. As you can see right here, Nick Carter, we have so many fans all over the world. I've been really interested lately in things that will help bring us all together. Check this out, Humbl, humblpay.com. So him, just, the fan base of just this man alone could bring a lot of eyes, and it is a catalyst that could propel this thing. Not only that are they're launching in 40 countries in February, but for this just to come out recently, January 22nd, coming out this week, as we're in a downward motion because we've been on a massive run, this could definitely put this thing back on track. And speaking of that, we'll get into the chart pattern, and as you can see here, it's very clear that this thing is looking like a growth stock, very similar to when we had the run over here, and then finally touching that base and getting that reverse going back up. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love the way this thing looks. It's starting to remind me of this run right here, and then a pullback, and then having that nice curl. See a run here, a pullback, and now having that nice curl. Definitely looks like we're gonna gear back up in the right direction, and then head towards some highs of the 50s. I definitely want to play this thing, but I have an engagement tomorrow. Tomorrow I will not be in the markets. I will be in the markets early in the morning, but it is my daughter's 7th birthday, so I told her Daddy's gonna spend a day with her, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna surprise her. I gotta drive out of town, surprise her, and we're gonna do big things for that. So I'm gonna probably miss out on TSMP tomorrow, but the fact that it's gearing up is so beautiful to me. And then I probably will be a buyer at the breakout of the 50. I want to buy back in there, or just depending on where it goes on Monday, maybe a buyer at the break of 41 or the break of 44 if it stays within that range. It is looking beautiful. We have great catalysts coming out. February launching into 40 countries. We got Nick Carter of the Backstreet Boys shouting out Humbl Pay, and just the audience that he brings, the following that he has, again, adds more eyes to Humbl to try to legitimize this thing. And again, all the beautiful catalysts from that conference call, again, legitimizes this thing. So it's looking like a genuine growth stock, and it's looking like we're getting that nice reversal, finally coming off that dip, to where we might get this thing moving again, guys. So this might very well be the bottom right here in the 35s. So we might just stay in this channel for a little bit and then pop, or we might get that nice gear up tomorrow, and then pop off tomorrow. Again, man, this thing continues to look great. So I just wanted to do a quick video on it. I was anticipating we had two big red days here, and then a nice gap up. This was a beautiful gap up today, guys. That was beautiful. And I've been noticing red days, and that's kind of been what I've been trying to capitalize on, or gap ups. But I've seen better opportunity elsewhere, and I capitalized on those. But Humbl Pay and TSMP are always going to be on my radar. I still believe this is a truly great company. For all you Humbl longs who are invested in here, I truly believe in this thing too, guys. Just my trader instincts kick in, and it's just who I am mentally. I feel more comfortable buying and selling out of positions than just sitting and holding with my capital in one stock. But I do love this thing, so I'm gonna always keep my eyes on it. See what's going on, see what's going on in the technicals, and keep you guys updated as much as possible. So yeah, man, this looks like it's beautifully starting to curl. So you know, we could have a base in these 35s, and now might be a great time to start buying up more shares before it gears up. Very similar to when I was buying in the early stages in this area, when I finally started to see the curl in the 10s and 14 range, and then we had the pop, and then again, similar to right here, pop, consolidate, boom. And so, you know, I could very well see this thing doing that right now. It's looking beautiful. So yeah, man, just a quick technical analysis on that. You know, two catalysts. You know, this is nice. Nick Carter shouting them out, and then you know, launching Humbl Financials, and then moving into 40 countries in February. That should be a huge catalyst to propel this thing and possibly break new highs past the 50 again sometime in February. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know where you guys at in your positions. Have you guys been adding? Have you sold? Are you still holding? You know, leave a comment. Let me know, man. I appreciate all of you, and I love responding to every single one of you. So, again, man, if you made it this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you can do that, man. So, TSMP looking like it's finding its base and potentially curling back up. So now might be a great time to buy. You know, I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as possible. So, till next time, I'm out, guys. Peace.